everybody, today we're doing a chip on the edge of a bonnet on a Mercedes van in Obsidian Black. My customer today is a self-employed builder who threw something in a skip, and as it bounced out it just hit against his van. Luckily this is the only damage it did. Now that we're all prepped, I'm just going to do a few layers of primer and rub it down. Once it's cleaned up, we're going to do a few layers of paint and a few layers of lacquer, and then blend it out just at the end. Once it's blended, we're going to take off those soft edges just like usual, get it drying under the lamps, and then once all the paper's off, we're good to go. Happy customer, and on to the next one.